Hi, my little angels, how are you? We are going to learn three-letter words with short O sound in today's video. Can you tell me what is the short O sound? That's correct. It's O. Let's see the first word. We will blend the first sound with the two-letter blend to make a word. Like this. D, og, dog. Let's do one more. L, og, log. Now let's practice some more words with the O sound. H, ot, hot. L, ot, lot. K, ot, cot. F, og, fog. D, ot, dot. P, ot, pot. T, op, top. N, odd, nod. R, odd, rod. P, odd, pod. Well done. Now you can practice these words and few more words with your mom and dad, and you can even try to write these down as well. We will meet you in the next lesson where we will learn three-letter words with short U sound, which is A. Till then, bye. Thanks for watching.